Okay, so today I would like to talk about just a small idea that I have. I want to go more and more DAWless, so I would like to mix and master on my Roland MC-707 to do it completely over there. Now, the problem is that I'm not the best at mixing and mastering, to be quite honest, and so I actually do need the visualization that a DAW gives me, especially a spectrum analyzer, because obviously in electronic music you have to really think about the frequencies in the lower end and the low end and so on and so forth, and it all has to match up. And that's what I struggle with, so I need to see what's going on. So I looked in the App Store, Google App Store, and I found an app called Spectroid. And there are others like that you can actually choose. This app works really fine. And when I play around with it, everything is good, right? It uses the built-in microphone, but the problem for me is that I do not actually want to use the spectrum analyzer on speakers, right? I really want to go from the master or mix out from the 707 to the spectrum analyzer, an audio interface for mobiles. In my case it's the IRig HD2, but I think any audio interface will actually do. The only thing it has to have is a good connection to your Android or iOS device. So what you can see here is you see the Zoom H8, and I record the mix out of my DAW. I use the right channel of the mix out and go into my IRig device. And then from the IRig device via USB I go into my Android tablet and open the Spectroid app, and hey presto, there it is. So let me play around with it. So we go into the drum track, and I open up the EQ of the drum track, and I'm going to play with the low gain. So let's see what happens. The low gain varies a lot. And you can see it on the spectrum analyzer, and I think it will really help me go more and more DAWless. So I'm happy about that. I just hope I could give you a nice idea of how to augment your Roland MC-707, or basically any synth at this point. So have a great day and see you soon. Bye!